thank you for being here. Today, of course, we have a Commodore 64. How surprising is that? That looks in very good shape, cosmetically. I wonder if there are any notes on the bottom. Oh, it says working 64, said ship good, Janetville. Oh, lovely. And it does seem to be lovely. Well, this may not take long then. So, we will apply power. We will apply video. We will flip the switch. And indeed, that looks pretty fine over there. It does. And the keyboard seems very clean, very responsive. Well, it wouldn't be a complete story if we did not at least hit it with a dead test and see what comes up, assuming something comes up. Okay, the dead test is up. Don't need to write anything else on there. Well, this
That was easy.
is going pretty well. It is. I'm tempted, of course, even though this will pass, just to find my trusty $1 screwdriver and open it up and just have a look and see what kind of board it is, how many chips are in sockets, so I can make note of that on the back, possibly. Yes. So we're waiting. Waiting. Soon, as the screen blinks over there, we will see what we will see. So, did I tell you? Well, I can't tell you what a wonderful time I had at the World of Commodore because it... Okay. We're working, we're happy. Anyway, I can't tell you what a wonderful time I had at the World of Commodore yet because it hasn't happened. But by the time you see this, it will have happened. December 2019. Yes, it will. And the next thing, of course, would be, hopefully, the World of Commodore 2020. Let's see. And by the way, I really don't have to look inside this. No, I think I already feel, maybe, the awful paper. Hey, that's not... One screw is longer than the other. That is strange. I think I feel the awful paper shield. I hate that shield. Let's have a look. I do not. I do not indeed. Ooh. This is the same as my test board. It has the magic shield. The most protective shield, the most wonderful shield there is. it does look like, from what I can see from here, and the bend on those fingers, that they're all in sockets. Well, how magical is that? So I don't really need to do anything else on this, except make sure I have not broken anything. Now, the screws are different. I'm going to replace the longer screw with a shorter screw. Maybe there's a good reason for that. Maybe it's just what somebody had. Perhaps. Well, that's old stuff. Remember, always just snug. It's only plastic, and it's old. You know, it's dated plastic. So this machine has, well, it's 237553, sorry, 237553, and it starts with a P, which I think meant that it was done in Westchester, Pennsylvania, I think. It does say, oh, it doesn't even say. Oh yes, it does. Made in the USA. Attempted repair by unauthorized persons. Voids warranty. Well, another great machine. Oh, it's lovely. The logo thing is just a little on the loose side. I'll push it down. I will. But really, that's about all there is on this one. I'll add it to the good pile and see what else we can find. Remember, I thought I was running out of 64s to check. That probably means when I start looking around, I only have maybe 20 left. Right now, I think I'm down to 3 that I know of. But there'll be more. Well, thank you for coming. Questions and comments are always welcome. Bye for now.